How to enable or disable waveforms in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can see your timeline, clips, and everything related to your video editing. Next, locate your timeline at the bottom of the interface. If you don't see audio waveforms under your clips, or if you want to hide them, you will need to adjust the timeline view options. Now, look for the timeline view options icon. It's a small icon that looks like frame strip located in the top left corner of the timeline panel. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu with various display settings. In the drop-down menu, you will find an option labeled Display Audio Waveforms. If the checkbox is ticked, waveforms will appear in your audio tracks. If you want to disable them, simply uncheck the box. To enable them again, just check it back. Keep in mind, showing waveforms is useful for syncing audio or identifying peaks and quiet parts, while hiding them can give you a cleaner workspace if you are focused on video editing. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable waveforms in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.